Now let's take a look at Tesla. Before I go into the charts, let's take a listen to what Dan Ives had to say.
Wedbush's Dan Ives here at Post 9 to discuss. He's got a buy rating on Tesla, $550 price target. Is one of them leave the Department of Government Efficiency to come back and focus on Tesla?
I mean, look, I believe, a few weeks ago it felt contained from all of our survey work and we talked about it on the show. I think it's turned into what I'll call a brand crisis, and really a brand crisis tornado. And I think for Musk, he needs to balance this in terms of being Tesla's CEO and Doge. And I believe taking a step back from Doge is crucial to the name. And, some will argue, we've been through it before, and I've been there from the beginning. I do believe the future of Tesla will really be determined how Musk handles the coming months. And I think that's why it's that much of a white knuckle moment. The longer term continues to be a golden sort of strategy. Near term is the issue.
So is the concern for you that the longer he remains at Doge, the more controversial Tesla as a brand is going to be, or is it a focus thing?
I think,
guys, this had happened before. And this was when Elon purchased Twitter. A lot of investors were worried that Elon was not focusing on the company, and the stock suffered because of that. That year, Tesla fell 73%, but 2 years later, the stock recovered and was up over 360%. The history is saying that at some point after this dip, the stock is going to have a nice run to the upside. So after Friday's bounce of 5%, Tesla is now back above support at 246. If Tesla comes back down to 215 and breaks that level, based on my technicals, the stock will probably come down to $200 per share. Above 246, Tesla has resistance at $300 per share. Once investors pile back into Tesla's stock, look for a run to 494. That's a 98% move from current price.